Before beginning any repairs with the SRS or the airbag system, always disconnect the battery to avoid deploying your airbags. To remove the airbag, release these clips and the airbag wires pull right off, straight off. Removal of the airbag was just removing the covers on the side of the wheel and two T30 Torx to remove the bag. After removing the airbag, the steering wheel has multiple switches that all plug here to your clock spring. Unplugging these and removal of the center nut, and then we can use these threaded inserts in the steering wheel to use a steering wheel puller to remove the steering wheel to make it easy to apply our new wrap.
If we can help you out with a dent or a ding, give us a call or visit us at dentrepairnow.com.